Security and biometrics. To safeguard user data, the POCO X3 Pro offers various biometric security features. The side-mounted fingerprint scanner, conveniently placed on the power button, provides quick and secure access to the device. Additionally, the smartphone supports facial recognition technology, ensuring an added layer of security. Price and value. The POCO X3 Pro is priced competitively, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. With its remarkable blend of performance, camera capabilities, display quality, and long-lasting battery life, it offers exceptional value for money in its segment. The POCO X3 Pro is a smartphone that offers impressive performance at an affordable price. It has a sleek design and a 6.67-inch Full HD++ display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6, ensuring durability and resistance against scratches. It also has a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and improved touch sensitivity. The smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 chipset, built on a 7nm process, which ensures a solid performance across the board. It has an octa-core Creo 485 CPU and Adreno 640 providing smooth multitasking, lag-free gaming, and efficient power consumption. It also comes with up to 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, allowing it to handle resource-intensive tasks easily. The POCO X3 Pro is equipped with a massive 5160 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage without the need for frequent charging. It also supports 33 watts fast charging, allowing users to quickly recharge the battery when needed. In terms of camera capabilities, the POCO X3 Pro features a quad-camera setup. It has a 48MP primary camera with a large aperture that captures detailed and vibrant photos, even in low light conditions. It also has an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, a 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor, enabling users to explore different photography styles. The smartphone's camera software includes features like Night Mode, Pro Mode, and iBeautify, enhancing the photography experience. The front-facing 20MP camera captures stunning selfies with excellent clarity and detail. The POCO X3 Pro runs on MIUI 12 based on Android 11, offering a feature-rich and user-friendly interface. It has various system optimizations and receives regular software updates, ensuring a smooth and secure user experience. Gaming enthusiasts will appreciate the Game Turbo 3.0 mode, which optimizes the device's performance while gaming, reducing distractions and improving gameplay. The smartphone also has dual stereo speakers and high-res audio certification, providing an immersive audio experience. The POCO X3 Pro offers ample storage options, with variants available in 6GB or 8GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, respectively. It also supports expandable storage of up to 1 TB via a dedicated microSD card slot, providing sufficient space for apps, photos, and media files. In terms of connectivity, the POCO X3 Pro supports 4G LTE and is equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, and GPS. It also has an ear blaster, allowing users to control appliances such as TVs and air conditioners. To safeguard user data, the POCO X3 Pro offers various biometric security features. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, conveniently placed on the power button, providing quick and secure access to the device. It also supports facial recognition technology, adding an extra layer of security. The POCO X3 Pro is a highly competitive budget smartphone that delivers impressive performance at an affordable price.